Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host, Shazib, signing in. How much is NASDAQ involved with WADZPay? The road to IPO, the road to ISO20022 compliance. We're going to be exploring these subject matters in this video, so make sure to stay tuned till the end and watch the entire thing. And for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins, ISO20022 compliant coins, as well as other interesting coins as well. So if you're interested in any of them, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for regular videos. So let us begin first and foremost with the price of WTK in real time. At the moment, one WTK coin is priced around $0.01714, with a market cap of a meager $8.57 million, max supply of 1 million, out of which the circulating supply is 500 million. It is going to be remain 500 million, and the rest is for swap and bridging. So the other 500 million won't hit the exchanges or the market. So yeah, you guys can check this out, the monthly chart as well. So yeah, these are, I think, good entry prices for WTK because big news are coming in Q4. Anyways, what the video is all about, how much is NASDAQ involved with WTK? To learn about that, we need to understand how much NASDAQ is involved with crypto. So this is a article NASDAQ calls Plan for Crypto Custody Services, but the title is a bit evasive of how much NASDAQ loves crypto. In my opinion, it is interested in crypto. If I rephrase that, NASDAQ has halted plans to launch a cryptocurrency custody service in the latest sign that a US regulatory crackdown is causing mainstream financial firms to hesitate before forging deeper links with the digital assets industry. The tech-focused US exchange operator has been among the leaders in the established financial markets in trying to develop a crypto offering suitable for its institutional clients. On Wednesday, it cited regulatory uncertainty as the reason for shelving plans to offer custody services for crypto, which had been central to the digital assets division it launched in September. We like to operate in environments that have a pretty well-known regulatory underpinning, said Adena Friedman, NASDAQ chief executive, on an earnings call on Wednesday. That's just where we're comfortable. The fundamental opportunity changed over the last several months, and then the regulatory overhang changed as well. So basically, this shows how the shadow of the SEC's crackdown on crypto is weighing down on industry and impacting businesses, prompting them to think twice. So basically, NASDAQ is interested in crypto. It is basically interested in compliance-based cryptos. It is concerned with regulations, which is going to come. They've just, in my opinion, postponed their initiatives in concerning crypto, but they are deeply interested. And this brings us to how much NASDAQ is involved with WADZPay. WADZPay not being in USA is a blessing in disguise. Guys, check this out. WADZPay takes Times Squares. This is a well-known tweet that everyone knows about. NASDAQ officially congratulates WADZPay on the launch of WADZPay 2.0. WADZPay, we are WADZPay. So this was not a paid advertisement. NASDAQ truly congratulated WADZPay on their launch of WADZPay 2.0. WADZPay deals with Asia, Middle East, and Africa. They are much more easy on cryptocurrency adoption in comparison to USA. So this is why NASDAQ has postponed their initiatives, but they are truly interested in WADZPay, which we're going to check this out. I've bookmarked some of the stuff. You guys would love it. NASDAQ officially congratulates WADZPay on the launch of WADZPay 2.0. My man Ben has made a good thread, a good post regarding it. Anyways, WADZPay takes Times Squares. NASDAQ officially congratulates WADZPay. Here is Anish. Thank you, NASDAQ Exchange and Bob Mcque for leading the way. We are WADZPay. WADZPay road to IPO, initial public offering. We're going to also check that out as well. Yeah, this is the official Twitter handle of NASDAQ Exchange. So they've officially congratulated WADZPay on the launch of WADZPay 2.0, a new generation blockchain-based payment technology which is working to transform digital currency payments and elevate user experience. This is Bob Mcque. Who's Bob Mcque? He's the vice president of NASDAQ himself. My great pleasure to highlight your tremendous success. Anish tweets WhatsPay. Thank you, NASDAQ Exchange and Bob Mcque. This is March 22. Thank you, NASDAQ Exchange and Bob Mcque for leading the way. This is April 27th. Bob Mcque has countless times reposted WhatsPay's tweets and liked various of the elements of WTK. Congratulations, Anish tweets and the WhatsPay team on this tremendous enhancement with WhatsPay 2.0. This was another congratulations. Discover the enhanced issuance of WhatsPay 2.0. WhatsPay issuers can now offer an advanced digital wallet which allows their customers to buy, sell, hold, and swap virtual assets, including perform P2P transactions like send and receive with more optionality. This is May 1. And these are some of the tweets that I've collected, which Bob Mcque retweeted. I collected these from his own Twitter handle. We are revved up and ready to go for the Hydrogen Grand Prix happening in Singapore on May 3rd, 2023. This was on May 1st. We're going to also see other reposts and likes of Bob Mcque, the vice president, as well. I've collected some in my bookmark. Check this out. WhatsPay upcoming event, Hydrogen Grand Prix Singapore, May 3rd. Bob Mcque retweeted this. He retweeted this as well. WTK trading contest is starting on BitTrue. Join WhatsPay at stand number SP43, where we will be presenting at the Seamless DXB Startup Innovation Showcase. This is Anish, June 19. Now check. NASDAQ congratulated on March 21, I think, March 22, March 21 to 23. Why is Bob Mcque still interested? This is June 19 now, guys. Great catching up with Bob, NASDAQ, Mcque, onwards and upwards. Look forward to our next catch up in September. So they're having this intermittent communication and meetings as well. WhatsPay, WPC, NASDAQ exchange. This is much more than a mere surface level exchange. This goes deeper than that, guys. Thank you for the update. This is May 12. Thank you for the update. Anish tweets, keep it going. Your leadership is incredible. The one whose leadership people criticize, Bob Mcque, is basically congratulating and commending his leadership. Anish, generally we have been what we have been up to, moving swiftly with the licenses, WhatsPay chain development on track, DEX listing as per schedule, WhatsPay nominated for several awards, keeping our fingers crossed, new updates on websites, new hirings in new markets. So WTK being at eight something dollar market cap, this is huge, guys. This is huge. So you guys checked it out. We're going to check this post as well. This is a really great post. I really love this by the ruler. We're going to end this video with this post basically. Let us move ahead now and check. Yeah, this is Bob Mcque's like. He has liked this, and this is now September 13th. What the hell is he doing in September 13th while NASDAQ congratulated on March? He's still involved. Why is he liking stuff? The vice president of NASDAQ. We are glowing from the amazing AMA with Khalid. This was an awesome AMA. The VARA regulation was discussed, and when VARA, the virtual asset regulation, happens, this is going to be, I think, be one of the biggest things that WhatsPay does. This would give it regulatory clarity in the Middle East, UAE, Dubai, the Middle East region. By popular demand, we are pleased to announce our upcoming MA session with Stanislav Madorsky. This would be a really good AMA as well on WhatsPay chain. 9th November. This is going to be fire. Anyways, let us move ahead. Well, these are the reposts of Bob Mcque. Bob Mcque reposted this June 27. Embrace the interconnected world of WhatsPay. Yeah, he has retweeted a lot. And one thing, he's a Tottenham Hotspur fan. This gives me nightmares because no offense to Spurs fans, we need WhatsPay to win. No offense, by the way. Bob Mcque reposted. WhatsPay, our beloved fathers have given us some precious. He's also reposting Father's Day stuff, guys. This is deeper than just mere surface level involvement or relation between two companies. So yeah, he has reposted this as well. Great catching up with Bob, NASDAQ, Mcque, onwards and upwards. Look forward to our next catch up in September, which the community highlighted as well that they've met in September. Anyways, yeah, he's basically involved with WADZPay. He has retweeted, he has reposted stuff. This is another repost, September 15th now. This is recent, chasing dreams, conquering curves, and pushing limits, racing towards victory, make every moment special with WADZPay. Yeah, this is Wadzilla tweet. Bob, the vice president of NASDAQ, doing his thing, liking WTK posts. This is lit. This is fire. Sunny, the most exciting time for all WTK investors has begun. I have a fever all year long. On Q4 2023, epic times lie ahead. Sit back and enjoy the time that comes. WADZPay, Bob Mcque has liked this as well. So yeah, guys, this is more than just a surface level exchange between two companies. Now check this out, guys. Anish tweets ISO20022 coming soon to WADZPay. This was basically concurrently and simultaneous with the congratulations that Nasdaq Exchange gave to WADZPay. So this tweet was concurrent with that, simultaneous with that. What's Jack? This must be music to your ears. IPO buddy Kevin. Okay. This is what I've been wanting to hear for a long time. Let us check this out. This is what I've been wanting to hear for a long time. I even asked 6 months ago, all regulations being followed. Jack had asked about the ISO 20022 compliance as well. Jack Simpson, hello. I was just wondering if WADZPay are planning or currently are ISO 20022 compliant, please. Obviously, WADZPay are partnered with Algorand, who are ISO 20022 compliant, which is also great. Many thanks. For those of you who do not know, ISO 20022 is a messaging standard that is going to be triggered at around November 2025. All banks, financial institutions are going to be using this standard for payments. So this is huge for WADZPay. They're planning to be ISO 20022 compliant. This is going to be huge. This is going to be giving them a huge advantage in terms of payments and regulatory landscape as well, because all financial institutions, enterprises, companies are going to be dealing with ISO 20022 standards in the future, the messaging standards. So this is a requirement. So anyways, Jacqueline Susanto, hello, thank you for asking. We ensure that our customers are compliant with whichever regulations are necessary for their specific markets, while we are also applying for all necessary licenses for our lines of business. So yeah, check this out, guys. ISO 20022 compliance being talked about by none other than the CEO and founder Anish Jain himself. And one more thing, this is huge as well. Road to IPO, initial public offering, means WADZPay has in fact secured a term sheet to go IPO. We are expecting this in the next 24 months. This was also simultaneous with the NASDAQ exchange congratulations message on March 21. Huge congratulations. And there were many skeptics at this time. I was reading the posts. They said that this will basically destroy the WTK token. I think otherwise. I think if you guys know IPO is basically initial public offering, enables a private company to go public by issuing its own shares on a stock exchange for the first time. In this way, any investor can buy shares and this company can raise capital to grow. So basically, many said that the token would be destroyed. It might become a security. It might be useless after that. Why would you invest in a token? You would invest in shares, the stock of the company itself, the equity, whatever. In my opinion, this would let him legitimize WTK much more than it already is, due to the clarity it was going to be received, the assurity, the guarantee that the investors are going to get. And this will differentiate between the WADZPay company and WTK, the coin, which has its own different utility. The company, you can also buy stocks of the company. And in my opinion, the subject matter of this title was How much is NASDAQ involved? I think WADZPay is going to be listed on NASDAQ exchange, guys. I'm going to go as far as to say this. This is not financial advice whatsoever. This is merely my own opinion. How I'm connecting dots. This is deep. This goes deeper. Bob McQueen tweets NASDAQ exchange's own official Twitter handle is congratulating WhatsPay. This is much deeper, the communication between Anish and Bob McQueen. So, in my opinion, this is not, I'm basically not giving financial advice, but I think WhatsPay is going to be get listed in Nasdaq exchange. And for those of you who are worrying that the token would lose value, I think the value would increase. Even Ripple, the company, is trying to opt for IPO, going public, and the XRP token having its own utility, going for the world bridge currency and whatever the entire agenda of the cross-border payment structure is of XRP. It's going to be different from the company, the Ripple. WhatsPay would do the same. WhatsPay, the company, would have its own shares. You can invest in company as well, and this would legitimize the company and give further utility to the coin as well, in my opinion. So this is my take on all of this stuff. You guys can disagree with it. We never know. Crypto is extremely volatile, so do your own diligence. You do your own research, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Anything can happen in crypto, but in my opinion, this is one of the best opportunities in crypto. It might go south, but in my opinion, this is it. It's the safest low cap, in my opinion, with the return of investments being, I think, enormous, gargantuan, tremendous. But do your own due diligence, and only afford what you can. Only invest what you can afford to lose. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell on as well. And if you're interested in any of the other utility coins that I regularly discuss in my channel, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe for regular videos. And like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you, guys.